papa they always talk and say technology never born the man. We go use petrol fry egg. you know fit try out. All right, so now on to another spliffing, like my friend the guru go always talk. Gantius day now where we just this, and now you AC soccer love lines now where we they give honor. And then no be only me there here, I dey here with the guru himself. Kofi. Alpha.
We're ready. Very soon getting well. Very soon. I go soon well. November 9. I go well. I go well.
And then I still get as usual my own person.
Yo.
Where they give us all the etc. we concern ball. Biola, how you doing?
I did good to be here.
Yes, so I happy say I see you. But I'm making for not to the loss. We're gonna need to take a message from the people who bring us come here. You know, say them. Me, I be like Papa, we never ripe.
Yes, we got.
So I be like Papa, we never ripe.
Jealousy. Jealousy.
Who they jealous of? They jealous of
Jealousy is the root of hatred.
Waiting be the
Get
jealous.
their clothes, them no agree to give me.
When you know come the place where we take go to
That
measurements.
is why I'm jealous.
They come back. When I don't go anywhere.
That's why I'm jealous.
Being the foremost property developer in the country, UPDC is perfectly positioned to help investors take advantage of this growing opportunity. Our structures are renowned for their exceptional aesthetic value and their phenomenal returns on investment.
Our vision is to be #1 real estate solution provider in whatever market that we have chosen, and we're going to continue to try our best to ensure that we do all that we do to remain #1 in this segment.
If you enjoy urban living at its finest, then our fine selection of luxury apartments are for you. Take time out to browse through our property portfolio, and we're sure you'll find the ideal investment choice for you. UPDC, building for sustainable value.
The moment that we have been waiting for, and there you have it, Nigeria, the champions of the 2014 African Women Championship. They have won it for the 7th time, and Nigeria are the best team in Africa yet again. They lost it the previous year when this championship was played in Equatorial Guinea, but they have come back strongly and reclaimed what they think is theirs.
Now still the USC Soccer Love Lines, then the program where you just did the hear us this micro 20 minutes, and all the etc. things that we concern sports, football, now we will go carry given her. And all the government magic, because the government magic now you call
60 players! Okay, let's go.
What's in the 60 players?
I don't even know where that will come from.
I don't even know where. What's in the 60 players?
How you want to select from 60 players? How?
Of what?
Just go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. No problem. Explain to them. Explain. 60 players. 60. When we even say make them choose out of 30, 35 or 40,
No.
confusion day. 60!
I don't
What's in
understand.
the
Yo,
talk?
just they talk, they go leave out.
Why they no go bring back
Towards the
Keshi?
end of the program, we go understand what
Why
you
they no
talk.
go bring back Keshi? When the first thing we person talk, we say, we just want to put you for interim. He first of all bring this in out of 60 people, he won't select only 12. No, I don't see sometimes the way just go ahead and tell them. 60.
Anyway, we want to see the Super Falcons.
Yeah.
So far, the girls they don't do us proud as
Oh,
usual.
yes.
Yes. Bravo.
Limo baby.
Yes.
Limo baby. You know, thanks for doing that. You're proud, you know. Love you, baby. Told you. Yeah, baby. I told you she was going to bring me, you know. Love you, baby. Just tell them. Tell them. Yeah. Yes.
I just the way to make this night come make you well.
As you need
don't
to
wear.
wear.
You don't wear.
Don't wear.
We here. We see the evidence. Say you want
Evidence,
to.
it show. All right, but as plenty of I know, all these things the way they happen, the girls they don't come back.
Yeah.
And the president don't promise he won't follow them talk.
Yes.
On the 5th. And then they don't go present the trophy with the win to Mr. President.
Yeah.
And then
Beautiful.
and President happy.
The
saying,
goldsmith, I told him that. He said, this trophy this time, because the Nigeria will carry her, make sure you put
So
the-"
you know the goldsmith.
What are you telling me? What are you
Kofi,
telling me?
you know the girls that win the trophy. You know the person who win the trophy. Who else you know?
I know the FIFA.
The other day we were there, you say Messi now your friend.
I know FIFA president. Joao Haviland
Which you have Avalanche?
handed over to my friend Sepp Blatter. So for all this, just go on.
I beg, I hear you.
Well, I mean, obviously, like I said, the president was very happy. The girls were winning the trophy for the 7th time out of 9 editions of the tournament.
Yeah,
so,
baby.
Yeah, the girls are. As far as African women's football is concerned, Nigeria is the predominant force. I will reinforce that. The last tournament we didn't perform too well.
Again, seventh
tournament.
7 is the number. Our girls don't win, no. Go.
So 7 out of 9 times the girls have won it, and it's really pleasing to see young players like Desire Okparanoze, Asisat Oshoala, taking center stage. Courtney Dike, really young.
Yeah, those girls are really young.
really young players, really good players as well.
When I watch them for TV, I be not say them be Falcons. So even though I know say na Falcons.
Oh, who you think?
Yeah, because they're too young.
They're young. They were young. I mean, a few, Perpetua them still there.
Yes,
but the core of the team,
the
age don't come down seriously. So
I know
for me,
like
the exciting thing for me, no be this one with them win. Now the other successes that they can go on to, and after the girls won, I like the language. All of them were saying that we realize that we keep dominating Africa, but the challenge for us to go to Canada next year and show the whole world what we're made of. All the time we win in Africa, but when we go, particularly at the senior level, when we go and play on the world stage, we don't do much. But the girls are taking on the challenge, and they are saying, look, just a few months ago, the under-20 team, led by Asisat, got to the final. So if these young girls can do it, we also can do it. So they are taking that challenge on board, and I'm looking forward to what the president will reward them with. Already the NFF has set the tone in the right way. Before, the last time we win the trophy, when the girls then come back,
they put them inside the trailer.
Yeah.
Inside the
yam trailer. The rest they put them inside cow trailer. They don't park there. They drive them.
But now,
no, right now the hosting 5-star hotel. I this is that all.
Yes.
Then go see president. The president don't shake their hand. President don't say.
Come back again on Wednesday. Carry shoulder for me now. Rita. Rita now because I don't put am say limo. Rita say come dey do like Rita. I say he see Rita. Now one of those girls with my younger sister they teach lesson that time, and now for parlor there you just consider. Yeah, good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, but you know being a footballer now.
But now you can't.
You don't see you now. You don't be president now.
You don't score one goal.
All these your own Sepp Blatter all day. We know they see you and them.
As
we they see their picture. If you Google it, they see her.
But anyway, that Wednesday we hope so because even Minister Self talk say say president no they just do handshake.
No. You
in the day happy. But in the day happy when person make the country proud and in they reward them well.
No, if you look at the girls, we won all our games.
They not lose one.
They not draw.
Super Eagles, honor they here. Super Eagles, honor they here.
So
I get interest for Super honor they here. You get how much we have done better. Honor they here. 60 players. Confusion. Honor they here. Okay.
So it's really a good time, I think, to support these girls, and also they've been paid their money, their bonuses.
They never paid them money.
They paid them their bonuses for the tournament, $18,000 each. If you accrue all of the bonuses, their win bonuses, $18,000. No fair common calculator. So they don't collect that one. But the one where they wait for, now they call BEM. President now.
President.
He don't vex oil block.
$80,000.
Say you go back Rita. This is what we did.
No, Rita na small na Nadi.
Who?
Madam we been
Go beg. Money in their hand. If he tell you like 5, you don't need that.
All right. Another thing I just want to make we look at now this issue of Nigeria now they finally dodged that FIFA ban.
Well,
because myself I don't understand FIFA.
FIFA said no understand us.
Yes, because FIFA at the point FIFA
as we confused.
Yes,
FIFA when they asked Sepp Blatter what's going on in Nigeria, Sepp Blatter like
himself no.
I actually told him. I called him. I said, look, don't worry. Giwa, FIFA. Giwa is my good friend, so he's somebody who will understand. Keshi needed to finish that job. I told Giwa, I said, Keshi has to finish this job, and Sepp just told me, say, Kofi, just handle this.
So that you handle.
So now you handle everything.
Not be all clothes person they drive for son. You just let the team now because we day here now inside in our room we day my men and they talk everything as it be. But Giwa, I hate you. You I'm proud of you. You have done well.
Well, I'm not sure. I'm not sure.
No, same pull out the case from court. What do you think?
I'm proud of you.
Truth of the matter, I say taking the case to court itself just shows his ignorance.
You're not supposed to take him to court in the first place.
Exactly.
What are you
see,
saying?
first statutes make it clear.
It don't. That doesn't make it take and go court of arbitration.
Very clear, unambiguously clear. That you don't take any football matter to a civil court. So if you take
wait. FIFA give am transport to come FIFA. No be the court where they near where if you afford to go. Now where and they stay for Itire. I'll come up for Itire. Come travel go Abuja go drop case.
So go, wait.
Now the one where this ruling.
So you need a big case day. You know say court get hierarchy. If you know everything that go magistrate.
I no get transport that day. Now the court where they my area now go first go.
So judge no go tell you say you know if I hear jurisdiction. When they go tell you say the court does not have the jurisdiction for this case.
Now that court. That time when the person they vex, all that kind of thing no go come first. You go first enter. Now the first police station where you see go enter, go report your case. You no matter. Okay, I'm robber just rob you now. You just turn eye, just see police station. You first come on, go. I go my area, go report. No, but that police station go first enter.
This one different. This one different because
what if between the time when you want come go FIFA court?
And then come back.
Somebody just punch in tire. He can't drive, enter bush, he can't die. Not true.
Now
the technology.
The one we just come back now.
Yeah.
Like play. Okay, Chuku Keshi.
Government magic.
Okay, Chuku don't come back. Now that one I no can understand.
No, here's the thing. On top of this FIFA matter, when the Wahala run too much, you know, apparently presidents get interested because we know what football is to Nigerians.
Yeah.
Now the opium, I mean, na the main unifying force for Nigeria.
For Nigeria, yes.
Now waiting every now our real passion point with that, so to speak. So president said don't put and say come all this matter where they go back and forth. Let's resolve it once and for all. Pinnick Amaju has been elected. Mr. Giwa, what do you want? What's your problem?
Yes.
Giwa talk all of his grievances. President and say here's what I want you. Go withdraw that court case
for first.
And as part of the mediation,
I don't like it
when Giwa come. The first thing that Giwa
Biola
make I analyze him down.
I know.
The first
wait,
thing Giwa
you say president call Giwa. Who tell president to call Giwa? I'd like you to give detailed information.
So now you
wow. Give me credit when give me my credit. Analyze.
How much credit you want? We'll go back and give you.
If Pinnick Amaju sack you, you go. When the president of the whole country can't call you, say you
go come back.
I mean,
out of respect.
You know exactly. So
out of respect,
if you know because of Pinnick Amaju, but you can't be the president is the
but now you don't think say
Ian
and Pinnick not go to get quarrel.
No, that's the problem. The thing where this thing don't create now say under Megeri, the biggest problem where Keshi get with that board now say Keshi was larger than life.
Yes.
He was not
they deal directly
exactly.
With the
you know they subjugated to them. You know they will call her for meeting. You know will come and all of those things. Now that kind of scenario go repeat itself because Keshi go look Pinnick and say I'm not there here because of you.
Yes.
You don't put me here. Now president put me here.
But which means say
I'm that kind of thing on the ground.
Wait.
Don't they start yawa?
Wait. Why
yawa don't they start?
Why are we assuming so much? Suppose president don't talk say okay for you to come back Keshi. Now say you and Pinnick must work together. You don't look that side. Because me wait there. When all this arrangement they go down.
You dey where?
Okay, no one. Continue.
You dey where? Come, wait, you get private jet. Because the places where they dey at the same time.
No.
One day if you dey
no be private jet matter.
Now wait.
No be private jet matter. Some things are spiritual.
You be winch.
Some things are spiritual.
You be familiar spirit.
Some things are spiritual.
You dey go from one place to another.
Okay, just tell them.
I beg you, they come back, Jare. When we come back, make we check this 23-man list where FIFA bring out, and then who and who una think say whether who they abi you that one tonight.
Messi, Ronaldo.
You see, on this issue, let's come back first.
Okay.
Will they come back? USC,
let's come back.
Take the floor. Our people they talk and say, know how when the nose won't be reach when danger come, you know, fit smell am. USC Soccer Lifeline, the Obonga program where you they hear all the etc things them will concern the world of soccer.
You know, say I played that ball as goal for where? For my mind.
As one guy won't score ball, he no score. Make a come open mouth say, ah man, I for score this ball. Now if let's say talk. Say if na me I for score this ball. Now they look me. You say waiting. Make I say I for score this ball. I shut up. I fella continue. What were you saying?
USC Soccer Lifeline. My name is Dayo. Make I catch you for TV, nothing mega.
The orange citrus species, member of the herbs family. Did you know that orange is a good source of vitamin C, which is an essential nutrient for humans? Did you also know that orange contains vitamin A, which is important for human growth and development? Delight has the fruit goodness of orange for that juicy refreshment. Delight fruit juice, delightfully refreshing. Comes in 4 exciting variants of orange juice, berry drink, mixed fruits, and apple nectar.
Now still USC Soccer Lifelines, we just still there, so thanks a bunch USC now and make it possible for us today here. Alright, the next level where we enter now this 23-man Ballon d'Or way FIFA just bring up now, and then some names make the list, and I did proud say they make them. Ronaldo did there, Messi did there, Ruben did there, Neymar did there,
Muller, Zlatan,
all of them did.
Costa. The only surprise name on the world stage we no day, we really surprised a lot of people. Now Luis Suarez, because last year for Liverpool he scored 31 goals. He had a really huge season.
Suarez no enter.
Suarez
they come push Schweinsteiger from Germany.
Because I will walk up, what did they worry you?
Because he bite person now, it don't mean say he credit to
this guy for France. Join. Yes, he follow.
Of course, I know.
This guy for France, where had
Zidane.
Yes,
you know
he affecting career because he makes
a legacy.
Okay,
yes,
I don't argue. But why can't be saying that only one African can't be list? Why? Why?
Now by who play now? Now by who play?
The whole world. Now only one African.
Now Mikel Obi woman and put in there. These are the best players in the world.
Only Yaya Toure. Where Yaya Baton here was Yaya Toure, only Yaya Toure for the whole of Africa. What are you telling me? Nduka Gbade no dey there. Fanny Amu no dey there.
Fanny Amu.
As what? Coach of the year.
No. More talk. Yaya Toure. Ivory Coast. What did they play there? What did they play? Ivory Coast.
Last year, Yaya Toure
play.
Only Am scored 20 league goals. Midfielder.
I don't agree.
Only Am.
Nduka play pass.
Who is Nduka Gbade?
Nduka under 21 assistant coach. You know they play again.
And they talk say in the days when we talk football, they don't feel compare with Nduka play with.
So
this man don't qualify.
So you want me to put him here?
Wait if your argument say Yaya Toure no supposed dey,
because wetin Yaya Toure play, he never even reach waiting ordinary select they play.
Which celebrity be that? Celebrity.
Select. Oh God. Ojoro de Blatter, you have a lot to answer. Ojoro de this list.
Answer me your man.
And these 3 Africans.
Blatter.
3 Africans. 3.
Okay, now your argument now.
Okay, wait. Who be the 3?
But apart from Yaya, who else?
Okay. Is there
make them Google them. I don't want to know.
You say apart from Yaya Toure, who?
Make them go think.
So when I take 20, the 3 where they on top, they give African. How is it they talk?
Fair enough.
So now quota system now,
my brother. If they want, okay, we'll leave it like that.
I beg, then coaches that will come make the list. I happy self when I say Klinsmann there.
Yeah, Klinsmann there. Luis Van Gaal there.
I just say Mourinho got to
Carlo Ancelotti there.
Yes.
But Carlo Ancelotti don't come. Everybody suspect say Joachim Löw there. Yeah. So everybody suspect say go be either Joachim Löw or Carlo Ancelotti. Carlo Ancelotti won the La Decima for Real Madrid. Joachim Löw won the World Cup. But everybody they suspect.
Pep Guardiola.
Say go relax. Everybody they look say you most likely be Joachim Löw because to win the World Cup.
Na big thing.
If you know be Joachim Löw, you go be Ancelotti. Ancelotti don't talk say if they lie, then give him more. If they lie, then no give him more. So as they
Van Gaal no film.
Van Gaal no do bad with Holland for the World Cup. They finished third.
Yeah.
But
why did they choose Manuel Pellegrini? Why they choose Manuel Pellegrini?
They won the league. Manchester City. They won the league in England.
No, okay, so the coaches will coach the teams we play for our league here, we win. Waiting to those coaches.
Which one award they talk of?
Our league not in this world. Our league not in this world.
No, say.
You say level.
Exactly. I don't start for you. Which are
not be the same leg where their players take player. Now our players take
leg day.
Not be the same round leather. This list must be reviewed. What are you telling me, coach of the year?
Friend. Why they not show you list?
I go see.
Now say they know everything.
Now say in network we no go since yesterday. In network we no go. And I go send that text now. Mo finish. I'll send that text.
Now wow.
Yo, tell them. But
truth doesn't matter. I say for the World Player of the Year. For
yes,
instance,
player own.
Just like how Joachim Löw and Ancelotti are front runners for the Coach of the Year, for the player own, you will most likely be between Ronaldo
and Messi.
And truthfully,
but you think say Messi fit?
You know, If they say Messi, I go shock.
Yes. Even me.
I go shock.
Even me.
Right now, Ronaldo.
Ronaldo.
Messi won 4 years on the bounce.
Yes.
Ronaldo.
The way they be now, it be like Ronaldo say won't do your own four. Because you don't do one.
No one will beat person now. Ronaldo.
Who you want beat?
If you beat person, then
who you want beat? Where you want
all
see
these
them beat?
way they do. All these agidi way they do. We enter area just they fall.
Who you want? Where you want see them beat? You say that.
Maybe then go come airport.
Can't do waiting.
Sometimes they come collect prisoner.
You go beat. Yourself.
I beg USC. If not, you know, we bring this man come here. I don't know what tonight they do here with us.
You know they will let person talk.
I'm just tired. I beg we they come back, make we take this message from USC. Then we go enter social media, make we hear what our people they talk for the matter we will drop for honor today.
Sometimes, following your heart takes a lot of sacrifice. Protecting your heart even takes a greater sacrifice of denying yourself the little pleasures of life. But the good news is, you can protect your heart without denying yourself the little pleasures of mouth-watering and tasty meals with Grand Pure Soya Oil. Grand Pure Soya Oil is made with high-quality soya beans rich in vitamin A and contains no cholesterol. So go ahead and eat to your heart's desire. Grand Pure Soya Oil is endorsed by the Nigerian Heart Foundation as the heart-friendly oil and now comes in a brand new bottle. Grand Pure Soya Oil, the heart-friendly oil.
Now still USC Soccer Lifelines video bonga program where you just still this so. And then thanks a bunch those of now where they send us message on top of social media. And then this Kashimata where we talk about somebody just write message say Lord have mercy. Young J Adams saying that just Lord have mercy. Another person
nothing concern the Lord of more face on a walk.
Dollar Mandani talk say by God's grace say we go win our remaining match with Keshi.
You don't thank God now.
Truth of the matter, I say this situation all day. We need to look for support. So if we say Lord God help us, we never see commit crime.
The other team no get God.
Yeah, you know sometimes we they pray now the one way person they hear pass
no block God here. Face your work.
If this one Latif talk say he can't sing song here. Mercies of the Lord come down
to your eagles. You don't get work when they do it.
So, but if everybody don't go spiritual.
Because
and if to say we win, the next thing, see as we deal with them, not God help us deal with them. God no go do that time. We finish them now. We kill you yesterday. No be say God help on us kill you.
You not really big person. Let's go home. God, I beg you.
Face on our walk. Face your walk.
Alright, that's it. Just be today for our program. Then make you not forget say you also still if you watch us on top YouTube, the past episodes then where you say you don't miss. Just go youtube.com/USC Soccer Lifelines. Now there you go see us watch. And then if you also follow us on top our Facebook page, make you go like our page and drop your own comments. Make you just go there now on top facebook.com/USC Soccer Lifelines. Okay? Till next week before we go come back again. Plenty magic they happen for this country. We will they give now more of the magic. On behalf of my guys them plus Biola plus the guru himself Kofi. My own name now yo at the telling I say Ego B. Thanks a bunch Hotspot. Now package this one. Thanks a bunch USC. Now make us come here. Ego B. Bye bye.
Who you the kiss?
USC.